a cry out?
No, mommy.
Yeah.
No, mommy.
Go take up your book. Take up your book. Why you never take up your book? Why you never take up your book? Talk. You're stuttering.
We did that.
So today we're gonna talk about mothers, but we're not gonna talk about just any mothers. We're not gonna be talking about Spanish mothers. We're not gonna be talking about Japanese mothers. We're not talking about Arabian mothers. Arabian? Shit. We are talking about Jamaican mothers. Growing up in Jamaica, me and Chad have some of the best time of our life. And the best memories always circulating around our mothers. And that's because they're always there, reminding us that they'll beat the crap out of you. Why my blood pressure? Why? You know watch none of the dishes. Oh, my blood pressure. Why? I'm gonna send you go a foreign. Vincent! Yeah? Come here, man! Come here! Moment. Why you don't do the dishes, man? I don't mean it. You know who's supposed to do it? I don't know me that they are come over. You wait, go for the belt. Go for the belt, me teach you again. I'll teach you a lesson. You want a belt? You're gonna get some ratty licky here. You wait. Hold out your hand. Say after me. I must do. Shut up, man. Be good. If your Jamaican mother tells you to do something, just do it. Just do it. You what, man? Off a shot. John!
Yes,
Look, you can't go tired to go in for me. Alright, at 6 o'clock now, I'm not tired. Now make the sun come down. And the goat, I'm tired. Alright? You know the dog, them and yam them.
Yes.
Alright, tired the goat.
I'm going to the boat then. That what? What man, me say?
Try to tired the goat them for me.
No, I'm not tired to go. I'm going to
You're not tired the goat, Emily.
No.
Me tell you
Mama, understand now. Mama, listen. I'm going to tell you, Mama, understand now.
She must have been like a special agent in her past life, because when she was beating me, she did not miss. I remember this one time, she got pissed off at me, and then she was running, and while she was running, she kicked up her slippers, caught it, simultaneously throwing it like a dagger, and hit me right in the head. John, cool now! Oh, that's the thermostat! Why the AC?
I don't need, Mama.
Why the AC?
Mama, I don't need.
Mama.
Mama.
Mr. Why the AC? Another thing about Jamaican mothers is if you go to them with like a problem or ask them for advice, they're always telling you these old school proverbs that nobody understands or nobody says anymore, like cockroach no business in a fall fight. You can't carry the donkey go river, but you can't make the donkey drink. One cocoa can't full basket. Nobody says that anymore. Nobody understands that, you know. But you gotta love your Jamaican mothers, man. I wouldn't change growing up in Jamaica with my grandmother for nothing. The amount of beatings we got, the amount of yellings, and we not pay the light bill, and you tie up the goat them. Anyways, this was a quick video because we wanted to express our love for our mothers, you know. It's kind of past due because Mother's Day passed a while back, but don't tell anybody. So one day if it wasn't for them, so we love the beatings and all them things there. And you know, yeah, you need to beat your child, man, because look how it turned out. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna know what you're a crazy man, I do.
Mash up the place, but she want not for this. Yo, me nah miss #1 funny list. The girl them a twist waistline, can't resist. Watch out for this, I did my destiny.